Hello everyone. I would like to say thanks for your love and support for my last videos. I'm so overwhelmed by the response from your direct messages and phone calls. It really motivated me so much. So, today I'm going to talk about a very crucial topic in our life, that is how to budget during crisis. What all points you can keep in mind while making your budget and some useful tips. So, keep watching till the end. So here, budgeting is important in the best of times, but it's crucial during pandemic like present. I'm sure COVID has likely changed your spending and saving habits. So you all want to track your budget more often than you did in past. Here are some of my suggestions and steps you should take to budget for a new normal. What should be your budget? A budget should be realistic. It should include everything that you spend your money on, like groceries, housing, medical care, loan payments, utilities, and similar. So let's make a simple budget and understand more. uh, so calculate your monthly income, add together your fixed monthly expenses that could include childcare and others. Set your financial goals, like you want to pay for credit cards and loans, sub minus your income from your expenses. Monitor your budget and if necessary adjust it to fit your needs and stick with it as much as you can. Changing it again and again simply defeat the purpose of doing it. So the question is how to save. Normally the 50-30-20 rule is ideal. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for debt and saving, which would include in emergency funds. You might temporarily eliminate wants portion of the formula so that a more realistic 60-40 rule might apply, with building up few months emergency funds. Before making a spending plan, think for your goal for doing it. Do you want to save money, retire early, or combination of many things, or something else? Knowing this will easily help you define your budget, opportunity, and limitations. It's understood in pandemic you might not be able to pay all your debt, but you will want to determine what should be paid first. That's why there is no single best way to design your budget. Everyone's priorities are different. Creating budget can help you articulate those priorities. Uh, so now, what are the benefit of budgeting? You can realize a long-term financial goals. The truth is, it's hard to go from point A to point B when you don't know where you are heading. So when you know where your money is going on, you can reach your long-term financial goals. You control your budget. Your budget doesn't control you. It helps you watch over your money and allows you to live a fulfilling life. Budgeting also saves you stress, saves you the stress of suddenly having to adjust to lack of funds. It also helps you to decide if you want to sacrifice short term spending like buying a Starbucks coffee every day or long term benefit like a vacation. When you plan a budget, you are clear on what money is coming in, how fast it goes out, and where it is going to. So you no more wonder every end of the month where your money went. Some simple tips are: call your friends for potluck instead of clubbing outside, watch movie at your home on Netflix, stop showing to others. Unnecessary loans are painful sometimes. I would like to suggest, if you need a car, buy good car which suits to your budget, not to see others' car. If you want to buy new clothes, then go and check your wardrobe and think twice. Really, it's important to spend this time, or you can wait. Anyways, for decluttering, I am going to make another video that will be helpful for you to understand more. So here are some small changes for few days saves a lot. And then you can plan something on very important things. Following this you gradually will take full control on your unnecessary or impulse expenses. As you know now how much you need to spend on specific things, there's a old saying, penny saved is penny earned. Same way, spend according to your income and keep some savings for emergency. Hope you like this video. Any comment will be helpful for me to understand what exactly you want to know, and I will try to cover those points. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, spend wisely, and keep watching Life Therapy by Niels. Thank you so much.